Hi everyone, let me introduce you to Waffles. This is an advanced hip and joint support supplement for dogs. In fact, they are so confident in their product that they offer see results in 90 days or money back guaranteed. This product is incredible and we'll be giving it to our dog Max. As you can see, the package comes completely sealed, and this is for large dogs, and it comes with 30 soft chews. It is for dogs that are over 65 pounds if you're wondering if your dog qualifies for large, and Max definitely does. So let's rip this open so I can show you guys what they look like. Here is the waffle itself. As you can see, it is a nice and large chew for your dog, and the pack comes with 30 of them. But how many are you supposed to give your dog? Well, Max is 65 to 100 pounds, so he only has to get one a day. But if your dog is 100 to 120, you should give him 1.5 a day. And if your dog is more than 120 pounds, that is 2 chews per day, you guys. I absolutely adore this. As Max get older, I want to make sure that his joints are supported and of course that hip, so nothing happens to him when he's running and playing around. Max is beginning to be such an active dog and he loves to go on walks and run and jump, so we really want to make sure that he is supported, especially because he's a senior already. So I definitely recommend Waffles. Even if your dog is younger, you want to make sure that they're growing nice and healthy. So check this out and make sure your dog is a large. They also have smaller sizes for smaller pups, of course, and keep your dog healthy with Waffles.